I remember everything else you're. Okay, so here we go, guys. Once we're logged in the trade room, super simple. We're going to see where the signal is right now. So you can see right here on Ethereum USD, there's a sell signal right here on this candle. And right here, you can see the current market price is lined up with that entry. So we can enter on this sell right now. So we're going to go to the market on Abbado, enter our lot size, and enter that trade. So we're going to sell now for Ethereum USD. And it's that simple. We're going to set our stop loss now to negative 100, in this case, $10. Does 100 points, but the lot size equals 10. More about that in other videos. You should understand lot size. And our take profit also to 10 on this side. And there we go. Now we're just going to wait for this trade to ride out. This is super simple example. Same thing would have happened in reverse. There's a buy right here on this ETH trade. And if you entered this buy trade, this was for 100 points in this direction, upwards. Maybe it had stop loss, maybe it went up, but that's how simple it is. We follow the trade one by one. So now we're in this trade and we're waiting for it. Here we go. There's another trade on JSTStream buy trade right now. So we would switch to BTC buy. And just like this, we're going to be doing this on live as if this was a live call. So right now we're on BTC. Let's look at the chart. BTC buy came right here. You see right here, we're in a better entry right now. Let's enter this buy on BTC. And there we go. We're in a buy on BTC. We're in a buy on BTC. Same way, we're going to set our target to 100 and our stop loss to negative 100. And we're going to let this trade ride out. Let's see how it goes. Give it some time. And that's it. That's how simple it is. Here we go. Let's minimize our order bar and look at this trade in real time as the latest candle. This is our trade entry right here. Super simple, guys. And that's all you got to do. Now we're just going to let these trades ride out and see how they go. If you guys have any questions, let me know along the way. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Remember, if you're not doing this, you're failing and nothing else you do will work. Once you start adding up your trades, about 1,000 trades a year, that's 3 trades a day. If you trade every single day using a proper system, you'll see that that is at least $5,000 to $10,000 in losses and fees. That's what you're paying on your existing platforms that you shouldn't be doing. And you should only be using this one because you don't even know you're set up for failure. You're basically trying to play golf with a tennis racket or play golf with a soccer ball. It makes no sense. You don't even know that you have the wrong infrastructure. So do the right thing. Get on Abbado, start trading right away, practice on demo one by one, just like this. This is a live account here that we have with $5,000 balance, and we're just waiting for this to hit our stop loss or take profit, and then the next trade will do the exact same thing. So remember, step one, we saw the signal on the chart, like this sell, and the market price is currently equal to or better than that signal price, and then we would enter the trade in that direction. Same way that the signal came here, we would see if the market is currently at a better price than that entry, and we would enter that position. And you just do that one by one, market by market. Very straightforward. So remember, guys, the same way, when you see the signal price, you want to see that the trade, the market price, is at a better price than where it was when you saw the signal. See right here, Bitcoin, right here, this trade came. Now we're in profit already. It pulled back a little bit down here. See these two areas that pulled back right here, and then it shot up. Maybe this will go into profit target, but we're already up $15 on this trade, guys. I don't know how long this call's been. I think this call's been around 5 minutes, and we're already up $15. And it's that simple. Let's see if it goes to our take profit or stop loss. Now we just wait it out. Remember, we take trade by trade, one by one, like this. Remember, guys, it's that straightforward. Signal on the chart. Make sure that the market price is currently at the correct price or better. Enter that trade in the direction that it says with the correct lot size. Check the signals to see where that trade comes, just for an extra verification. You see here the trade came at 5:16 p.m. So we would see on the charts, that was right here, perfect entry right here. And let's see if this goes or not. And that's how simple it is, guys. That's all it takes. Now we're just going to let this trade run and see where it goes. Let's open up both charts. So here we go, guys. I'm opening up Ethereum USD and Bitcoin. Now we're just going to watch them side by side and see how it goes. That's it, guys. Super straightforward. Remember, these buttons here, you can have multiple charts open to analyze or follow along as you're in trades. So, guys, we're risking in these trades 1% to 2%. Our account is at $5,000, and we're risking $50 to $100 on this trade to see where it goes, and we diversified the risk with BTC and Ethereum. Get started right away. Practice this. Don't waste your time. I guarantee, I promise you, if you don't do this now, you're going to end up doing something else. You're going to keep losing your money. You're going to keep losing in trading. And then you're going to come back here either a month later, a year later. At some point, you're going to come back. It's going to be in the back of your mind. Nothing will work in trading. Everything you're doing will fail. Nothing you're doing works. We've tested this. Nothing you're doing works. You can spend all your time in the world trying to trade. I'm telling you, it doesn't work. We've done all the testing. Nothing you do works, and it will never work. If you think I'm being harsh, You don't understand. This is like someone trying to stop you from crossing the road with incoming traffic because you didn't look both ways. I promise you, you're going to lose your money guaranteed. Remember this. If you don't do this, you're going to lose your money trading, no matter what you do. You may think you're up because you're trading in the past month and it's up, or the past 3 months or whatever. Long term, you will not run a business. You will not make even 10K or 20K or 100K on this. You will just be in a net loss. And then you'll remember I told you this. So remember this while you're hallucinating and stop what you're doing. All the indicators, all the tools, all the strategies, everything that you've done so far, I've already tried it. It doesn't work. We've rigorously tested this for over 50 years of market data. We built systems in order to test 50 years of market data candle by candle and record them manually as if we went through 50 years of market data. Think of it like a time chamber where when we entered in that program and we tested the market candle by candle, we fast forwarded 50 years of data as if we actually lived it. So we got 50 years of experience in a few months because of that, after years of testing manually and realizing that's what we had to do. You have not done that, and you will never do that because you don't have the technology to do that. You don't have the data to do that. And the infrastructure to do it, you probably don't have access to because we got it in the bank when we used to work there, coincidentally. So everything is about time and place and who you know and what you know and so on in order to get things done properly. You have a few months of market data on your MetaTrader or whatever platform. That's not going to cut it. You're going to guaranteed lose. You're actually set up to fail in ways that you don't even understand right now that you're guaranteed to lose. And you will see if you actually watch all of our videos that clearly tell you why you're going to lose and you go through all of them, you will discover you're guaranteed going to lose. These aren't just any trading videos. This isn't just any knowledge. Everything you've learned so far on the internet about trading is waste. It's a waste of your time. It's a waste of your money. Everything you've paid for is a waste. Nothing will work. I hope this is getting through to your subconscious where you're deleting all your old ideas that have set you up for failure and you're doing the right thing, because this is the only way to do it and there's no other way. We've tested parameters that you haven't even thought of yet. That strategy that you think you have is going to reverse on itself and start failing in a few weeks, and you don't even understand why. I can go on about this for hours, but the important thing is you're going to guaranteed lose, stop hallucinating, and do the right thing. Now let's just let our trade ride out and see where it goes.
A few moments later.
There we go, guys. Our Bitcoin trade just hit profit target. Congratulations so much to everyone that was on that trade. Congratulations to everyone that was on that trade. By the way, congratulations to everyone that was on that trade. If you didn't take that, you're hallucinating. You're guaranteed going to lose. But for those of you that did, you are amazing. Congratulations. You're the best. We just hit our take profit on that BTC trade, and it's that simple. Guys, in 15 minutes, we made $100, and that was minimum risk. On 5K, we just made $100 live. This is a live account in front of your eyes. We just made $100 live. Congratulations. That was the best. And that's how we trade. It's super simple. Doesn't matter if we hit stop loss. Doesn't matter if the system doesn't work on every single trade. We have an edge. It's going to guarantee keep repeating itself, and it's going to keep working. You are hallucinating. How do you expect to get work done or run a business on something that you haven't tried and tested for many years of market data? You're literally gambling in the wind and you have no idea. There's no such thing as market patterns. Your eyes make up patterns. They're not real. There's many books documented about this, about trading. Anyways, it's that simple. We have an edge. It's going to keep repeating itself. It's not the way that you think it works. Nothing works the way that you think it works. There's an underlying structure and layers to the market that you don't see, and they're not pattern based. It's about organizing data in a frequency that can be extracted to have small gains. That way, when the market's trending and you have a small edge, it works. We've tested things that you can't even possibly imagine, and you're going to guaranteed keep losing. $114 we made in a few minutes, guys. That simple. Congratulations. You guys are the best. Let's keep going. We're just waiting for the next trade. It's super minimum risk, and it's that simple. Congratulations, guys. That's all it takes. Remember, you're hallucinating. Nothing you do is going to work. I promise you that. You're going to remember this when it comes to trading. How can you run a business for many years into the future if you haven't tested the previous market data? And order filled. That's it, guys. $100 profit, and it's that simple. Now let's wait for the next trade. We're just waiting for the next trade now, guys. Let's see where it goes. That was super easy going. It doesn't have to be complicated, guys. You're hallucinating.
One eternity later.
Okay, guys, there we go. We're on another Ethereum trade. So now we're going to get it on Ethereum. Let's go to the market, go to the ETH chart, and there we go. We're going to enter the sell. There you see, guys, there's a signal right here. The dot, the red dot equals sell. The green dot equals buy. The red dot happened right here. So we're in this sell trade. So we went to the market, Ethereum USD right here, ETH. We typed in the amount to lot size in this case. It goes to your ratios. More on that in other videos. And we clicked sell. Now we're waiting for this to go to profit target of plus 10, which is actually 100, but just because the lot size is $10, or stop loss of the same amount, negative 10. There we go. Now we're going to wait for this trade. You see we're set on both sides, stop loss and take profit. Yeah, now we're gonna wait for that. And remember, everything else you're doing is guaranteed gonna lose. Congratulations, we're on this sell on Ethereum. Now let's just wait for it. You see, we're in this sell. Now let's just wait. And it's that simple, guys. The sell signal just happened, and now we're on this sell. Super straightforward, super easy going. Stop wasting your time on other platforms. Stop wasting your time paying money to learn, blah, blah, blah. None of it works. You're guaranteed going to lose. Everything you're doing fails. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to answer all your questions in detail. We have dozens of hours worth of training videos that we've concisely made for you to learn, so that way you can eliminate all the noise and fast track your trading 15, 20 years in the future. Stop wasting time. We've tested everything. Every bot that you think you're making, every strategy you think you're making, we've tried it. It doesn't work. We're so close to profit target, guys. Let's just see if it hits. You see right there? Let's see if that hits. And there we go, guys. Order filled. We just made profit and we're done. Congratulations, guys. That's it. We recovered that 10 we lost, and that's it. We're done. We're up. We made $115 today, guys. 3 trades, $115, done in a few minutes, and that's all it takes. And this is market close hours, 5 p.m. That's when the market's closed. And we still made profit on these little moves. Guys, stop wasting your time. Stop hallucinating. Stop gambling. Stop everything you think you're doing. It's guaranteed going to lose. Start doing this right away. Congratulations to everyone that was on those trades. Congratulations to everyone that was on those trades. See, I just slid the orders up like this, and I'm showing you the profitable trades right here. $10, $114, negative 10, done. And this is one of our smaller accounts. We have a 200K account trading. That's over 100K in the past year, year and a half. And that's all it takes, guys. Start this right away. Stop wasting your time. Stop hallucinating. You're going to remember this in the future after you try something else. You're going to lose your mind, and everything you've worked for doesn't matter. Trading is not like any other profession in the world. You can't apply skills from the real world or books you've read or things into trading. You have to manually test all the data as if it was a jungle, organize it into pieces, extract the edges that can possibly be made, and create a stop loss and take profit around that. And you don't have the technology to do this. We have dozens of hours of videos explaining how to do this, and there's no other way. Once you understand it like that, you'll realize that you are literally trying to play golf with a hockey stick. It's not going to work. You're setting yourself up for failure in ways you don't even understand. Get started on Abbado right away. Abbado.com, ABBADO.com, or TradeXN.com. Or go on Google, type in Abbado Trader, TradeXN, TradeXN, X like xylophone, N like Nancy or national.com. Get started right away. It's going to be on the chart right here, guys. I'm going to write it in for you right here. Actually, let's write that in right now. Where's the right tool? Where's the tool to be writing? Text. Abbado.com. Color. Green is good. There we go, guys. Abbado.com right there. Let's add another text. TradeXN.com. I want this to be larger font. Yellow color. There we go, guys. Either site, get started right away. Stop hallucinating. Stop wasting your time. Don't go to other platforms. You're setting yourself up to fail. I've been saying this for years, and everyone always fails. Nothing has ever changed. It will never change. I can guarantee you're going to lose anywhere else. Start right away. Stop paying. Stop hallucinating. This is all for free. Get your account set up right away. You just got to join the channel. Follow the steps on Telegram. Super easy, basic stuff, guys. Stop wasting your time. Don't get sidetracked. Don't go to another page and start like touching yourself. Don't go to your girl and start asking her opinion. Don't go to your friends and start asking what they think. Get started right away. Isolate yourself. Get this done properly. Stop hallucinating. I'm telling you, stop hallucinating. Even though I'm telling you, you're still going to keep hallucinating. In fact, this would be more effective if I said, don't join, don't be here, don't do this, don't do anything. In fact, everything else is amazing. But in the back of your mind, remember, I told you, I told you, I told you. Have visions of this the next time you lose trading. Have visions of this as you keep testing your strategy. Have visions of this as you keep failing in everything else that you do when it comes to trading. You are guaranteed going to lose. The level at which I know you're going to lose is so astronomically large. Oh my God. I have tested market data for over 15 years of my life, 10 hours a day. Then we realized how to make forward testers to test all of the market data at once. The amount of things that I know and I've learned through that are documented in very popular trading books that you wouldn't know because you're on social media and doing other nonsense is very well documented, and it's all statistics. Once you understand that you know nothing and whoever you think is great also knows nothing, you are going to realize that you are guaranteed going to lose. The person you look up to, whatever's going on, I promise they don't have a live track record the way that we do for many years. They don't offer it for free, and you can't just learn without having to pay anything. This is the only place that's actually educating you to teach you an actual valuable skill to run your own trading business. So that way we can become a very large trading community and potentially one day open up a very large hedge fund as a result of having so many big clients that have learned this throughout the years. That requires $100 million. So until we get there, guys, learn how to do this. At least get out of debt. Stop wasting your time with your trading accounts. All that money you've lost in the past, forget about it. Start fresh right now. Start brand new. Start everything here. Stop everything you're doing. Hopefully this makes sense to you. I can go on about this forever. You are guaranteed going to lose your money trading everywhere else. The reason I keep repeating this is because the level that you don't understand this is unbelievable. There are so many layers to this that you don't even know exist. And because of that, you're getting sidetracked. You think you're Batman. You think you're going to make the future. You think you're going to, quote, get your family out of the poverty. Whatever. The market doesn't care about none of that. The market doesn't know that there's dollars being input into it or taken out. It is just moving. The value comes from the actual market exchange and the people, the trillions of dollars, so on. But the market itself doesn't know anything about you. So when you fail in the markets, it's not a reflection of you or your life or your dreams or anything. Humans have a bad tendency to think that pain equals reward. You think that if you suffer in the markets long enough, one day it's going to magically become successful. It's not. You're going to guaranteed keep losing. Remember this. I hope my voice echoes in your mind the next time you're trying to do something trading, because you're guaranteed going to lose. And I know this. This is the only thing I can actually guarantee, is that you're going to lose. So stop everything you're doing and get started here right away for free. At least learn to practice on demo. Abbado.com, tradexn.com, choose one. Hurry up and just practice on demo. Then gain access to the Signal room, super straightforward on Telegram, and get started right away. It's super simple, guys. Message us if you have any questions. You can contact support. You can contact admin, message in the DMs. Whatever it takes, guys. If you're serious, get started. Stop hallucinating. We made $100 in front of you, super basic, and let's keep going. Congratulations.